Okay. Today it is Kingsday in the Netherlands. So I'm going for a little drive to the city. I've actually already been this morning. Did a lap around the market that takes place. But I also recorded and the camera wasn't working, so I don't have the footage from the ride from then. So I'm going to do another lap to there. But I did already take my meta glasses and make some footage of the market there, so I will put that at some point in the video as well. It's probably going to be quite busy in the city. I'm not sure how many cars there will be, but for sure in the city center it will be a lot of people. I think it's about 2:30 now, so most people will start to leave now, as they've been standing there since the early morning usually. Of course not everyone, but I'm curious to see how many people will be there. Long time for the green. Unfortunately, the weather today isn't so nice as it was the past couple of days. The sun is not really there, it's cloudy, it's about I think 14 or 12 degrees, something like that. It's not very nice, a bit chilly. So still, despite the weather, a lot of motorcycles and scooters out today. For sure it's at least dry, so it's not bad. Police. A runner. I hope the police is not going after him. Here it's already starting with the orange and the people. Then on the left side here there will be a large free market. People selling their second-hand stuff and other things. People will always take the red, I don't know why. So I think I'm just gonna do a bit of a lap around the city. Another police car. With this amount of people out on a day like this, you need to have a lot of police. So I just gotta watch not making unnecessary noise, because that's also a violation. They don't like it when you're a little bit trigger happy with the throttle with this thing. Well, they're going that way, I'm going this way, everybody happy. Just gonna make a left here. honestly. Back in the days, when I was little, I was going out there on the free market during Kingsday, or well, Queensday back in the day, before our king became the king. And I also always liked selling my second-hand stuff. Back then, it was like a little bit of a way to make some money. It's honestly, I mean, it's all bargains, and my parents helped me out often with stuff like their old stuff that they really didn't need, and they just wanted to throw away. You'd get, and you could sell it for like €5, €1, whatever. I'm back behind the same police car as well. Funny enough. So yeah, here on the left side you have actually I'm going left. I'm gonna check out here. Show it a little bit here. So as you see, it's already closed off from here. But yeah, you can see it. A bunch of people. People are selling their stuff everywhere. See a bunch of people sitting there on the ground. He asked for it. No, it is perfect. Perfect way to show.
Nee, maar ik dacht niet dat ik het meeneem, dat jullie niet al wat hebben.
But yeah, there's everyone selling stuff from there. It's for the bikes, it's shoes, tools, Pokemon cards, toys, whatever you can think of. There's also people like doing stuff like setting makeup for people, stuff like that. A bunch of everything. So this is the one day that's like legal, let's say. So well, you've got here. I'm actually not going there. I'm taking this exit because I don't want to go through all the people there. I'm gonna take a one lap more. I hope that's not again the same police car, but guy's reffing. Oh, they've got someone behind them that did something. Oopsie. Poor guy in the Volkswagen. He's getting out quick. It's not good for him, I think. They're both getting out quick. I'm kind of curious to see what will go on. I have one more light. It's a lot of police. So I think I'm also not gonna be. It's better if I don't stay too long in the city now. I don't want to get pulled over. Actually, I don't mind getting pulled over. Really. Technically, I'm not really doing anything wrong. So only thing is it makes a lot of sound. But maybe for me it feels like it makes a lot of sound. From what I understand, it's actually a little bit less if you're a couple meters away from it. It's not so bad anymore. Just when you're riding it, it's fucking loud. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna do one lap around here. Gonna circle back and then call it a day. I hope my camera recorded everything this time around and doesn't cut out in a little bit or something. Ring. Fuck. Come on, dude. Why not go green? Fuck. Is not a car coming anyway? That's a shame. And now you're waiting for nothing, for air. This is why so many people drive through red around here. See some orange ambers all the way at the back there. And again, red. Come on, dude. So unnecessary. Finally. Constantly this accelerating is annoying. It's not good for the engine heat. Also, the amount of throttle I'm giving is probably not good for the engine heat, but whatever. I don't care. It's not overheating, so. And it's not, I'm not doing this for a long period of time anyway, so. Another police car. So many police. I wanna go on the orange. Don't wanna wait another round. Oh. People using the crosswalk. So gotta wait a sec. My guy, I wouldn't do that with the yellow plates, with the amount of police around. The bicycle path is legal for the blue plate. They go 25 kilometers per hour. Yellow plate's supposed to be here on the road. But unless he's parking, well, who cares if there's no police, I guess. Bus lane, either a bus or a police. Oh no, it's all go. And then there's also probably an undercover police actually, or it's just some guy using the bus lane. One of the two. I feel like some guy using the bus lane probably wouldn't wait at the red, so it's probably undercover. Okay, well, that's Kingsday 2026 for you. Just a little bit of the ride back home. Honestly, if you want the best experience for Kingsday, I probably would say Amsterdam. it's honestly a bit too far for me to take the drive to Amsterdam right now, so not planning on doing that. But if you're a tourist in the Netherlands, so yeah, I would recommend Amsterdam. The kids be in the back seat, they were constantly looking. That's something I did notice, man. Honestly, kids, they're the biggest fans of quads, for sure. It's a nice sticker on the back. Queen. Although I do prefer Lightning McQueen, so